Hello and welcome to this video on numerical integration. In previous video, I have explained derivation for Newton-Cotes integration formula and formulation of this trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. In this video, I will explain how to use these methods to solve numerical integration problem. Now we will solve some application based problem. So next numerical is given a tabulated values of the velocity of an object. Using trapezoidal rule, obtain an estimate of distance traveled in the interval 30 seconds. So in this table, time and velocity is given. So time is given in second and velocity is given in meter per second. Now here we have to check whether the step size is constant for all interval or not. 0 to 10 it is 10, 10 to 20 it is 10, 20 to 30 it is 10. So here step size is constant. So we can use Newton-Cotes integration formulas. So we know velocity is change in distance with respect to time. So we have to calculate distance covered. So distance covered this will be equal to phi dt. So as velocity is not constant, we have to take the integration between limit of time, that is 0 to 30. So distance covered is equal to integration phi dt between limit 0 to 30. So this is integration problem, and we have to find out the area under this TV diagram, that is time velocity diagram. Time velocity diagram. Here let x be the time in second and y is equal to f of t be the velocity of object. So here values of y and x are directly given to us. So we have trapezoidal rule. Values of y and x are given. That is x0 is 0, x1 is equal to 10, x2 is equal to 20, x3 is equal to 30, and respective values of y, that is velocity, is given to us. So we have trapezoidal rule like this. If we put the values of y in this equation, in this formula, then we will get the answer. So here number of steps are 3, number of points are 4, so number of steps will be 3. So we can write trapezoidal rule for 3 number of steps like this: h by 2 into y0 plus y3 plus 2 into bracket y1 plus y2. So here h is strip size, which is difference between two sections of x. So x1 minus x0 or x2 minus x1 or x3 minus x2. So h is equal to 10 and number of strips are 3. So by putting all values of y and h in this equation, we will get distance travelled by object is equal to 290 meter. Let us solve one more numerical. The velocity v in meter per minute of moped which start from rest is given at fixed interval of time t in second as follows. So here time is given in seconds, and at different time respective velocity of moped is given in meter per minute, and we have to estimate approximately distance covered in 1200 seconds. So similar to previous example, we have velocity is equal to change in distance with respect to time. We know distance is equal to velocity into time, but here velocity is not constant. So to calculate distance covered, we need to take integration with respect to dt. Now here if we consider lower limit 120 and upper limit 1200, then we will calculate distance covered between 120 to 1200 seconds. So we will neglect distance covered in first 120 seconds. So here we have to take lower limit as 0 and upper limit as 1200. Then only we will get distance covered in 1200 seconds. So here limit is taken from 0 to 1200 with phi dt. Here time is given in second and velocity is given in meter per minute. So either we can convert this second into minute, or we can convert this velocity in meter per seconds. So it is given that moped start from rest. So when t is equal to 0, velocity is 0, that value is added here. So here time is written in minute. So 120 divided by 60 it is 2, 240 divided by 60 it is 4. So like this time is calculated in minute, and velocity it is given in meter per minute. So here method is not mentioned, but you can see here number of intervals are 10. So we can use Simpson's 1/3 rule as n is multiple of 2. We have n is equal to 10, so Simpson's 1/3 rule can be used here. So this is Simpson's 1/3 rule. So by putting different values of y in this, we will get h by 3 into y0 is 0 and yn is also 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 2 into summation of even terms of y, means y2 18 plus y4 plus y6 plus y8 plus 4 into summation of odd terms of y, means y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus y7 plus y9. So by putting all these values, we will get distance covered in 20 minutes is equal to 309.33 meter. This is distance covered by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now this problem can also be solved by using trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. To use Simpson's 3/8 rule, n should be multiple of 3. So we will divide this interval into two parts, that is 0 to 18, means first 9 interval, and for last interval we will use trapezoidal rule. So for first 9 strip, that is 0 to 18, so Simpson's 3/8 rule for 9 strip is this. So in this formula we can calculate distance covered for first 18 minutes, that is 305.25 meter, and for last strip limit is 18 to 20, that is integration limit 18 to 20 phi dt. Formula is h by 2 into y9 plus y10. So last two terms will be y9 and y10. So distance covered in last interval it is 2 meter. So total distance covered is addition of these two. So total distance covered is 307.25 meter. So in this way we can use combined rule for solving some of the problems. Thank you.